Funny story, this morning we went to Peapack Gladstone and Brandon, we were driving past the church and Brandon's like, oh, look, add a slot machine. And Daniel's like, don't challenge him to buy a slot machine. I'm like, nah, I couldn't afford it. I couldn't afford it.
You won't
I
buy
couldn't
a
afford
slot
it.
machine.
I couldn't afford it. Yeah,
Hey.
you won something. Sorry guys, recording the unboxing of this one on my phone because it's just what I have. So we started taking it apart and we got foam. I think these are very well packed, don't mind the fan noise. Again, these are packed a lot better than some of the ones I've heard. I actually have a friend who was telling me not to buy this because he said that it would come smashed. And I got the control panel out and it looks, I mean, the surface is a little crazed. I don't know what's going on here, but it doesn't look like it's been used. All the ports are there. Everything looks good. It is the Legends Ultimate, upside down, Legends Ultimate. Everything feels good. It feels like I might have the 8-way joysticks here. Really looking forward to getting some of this going and playing a little Golden Tee golf. I'm not even a golf guy. But I'm going to start unboxing this. And again, I'm not going to film all of it because you guys don't need to see another unboxing of this. But as you can see so far, it's pretty well packaged. There's not much else to show you other than me struggling to try to get it out of the box. So let's cut to maybe a little better footage of me with it assembled. Check out CoinOps. Maybe we'll do a little assembly. Hey, that's kind of funny to watch. So let's see what happens. All right, so definitely was a little lighter than I thought it was going to be. Nice unit so far. It has a smell to it. Looking forward to it. That screen is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be when you finally get it in person. So maybe the plan is going to be to put one of them refrigerators underneath it when we set it against that wall over there, next to that other cabinet that I still haven't finished. But in the meantime, I'm going to get this base assembled and let's see how it turns out. All right, don't mind that fan noise, by the way. It's roughly 95 to 100 degrees in here right now because we got this late summer thing going on. But look at that side graphic. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is I don't know that this is the newest side graphics. I think this is the version 1.1, but look at these. They look fantastic. Let's see, we got one more. Oh wow, I think it's just a repeat of the other side, but that is exactly what I was looking for. Look at that. Now I'm not sure I'll use this front plate because I don't need this front panel. Possibly. We'll have to see again how it lines up with my fridge. But that is so cool. Let's get it together. Well, so far so good. It's a lot like IKEA furniture, if you've ever done IKEA furniture. A lot of these cam lock bolts. And this went together probably in about 10 minutes. The only problem I had is that some of these cam locks are a little soft and the centers twist out on them. But overall, so far so good. I put the graphics facing outwards. They're reversible, so you could put it so that you had no graphics if you wanted to just do a dark cabinet. I think we might be able to even do that on the well, you can't do it on the sides. You got to have the graphics on the side. So that's our only choice for the front. Again, maybe I'll cut it out and put a fridge in there. But for now, going smooth. When I was young, I had a friend named Rich who his parents in the basement had 2 pinball machines. And I used to go to Rich's house and think to myself, man, his parents must be rich. Well, Rich's parents were rich. Well, anyway, I used to be shocked because he had 2 pinball machines. And we'd go over there and he would hit this little button on the bottom, click, 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 and that would create quarters and we would play. And for him, it was nothing special. He was used to it. So I always told myself, one day I'm going to get a cabinet. And I got that a few years ago and I have done nothing with it. It just sits. I mean, I've done a little bit with it, but it's just in that condition. This is ultimate. There's not a better name for it. So, Rich, now I have my own. And just like that, I'm a bad dude playing. Oh! Okay, well, I was a bad dude. This is awesome. Next thing we're going to do is get CoinOpsX going on this. But before we do that, if you buy your ATGames buy it from Sam's Club, you get a wall attachment. We don't care about that. But you get these, which are the pinball sticks. And these pinball sticks go on the sides to give you that pinball feel. For the pinball games, you can use them as flippers. So we're going to get these put on real quick. It's pretty simple. Just some kind of adapter and pogo and yeah, well, we'll figure it out. And here we are 24 hours later. I kept calling them sticks, but they're buttons. I got these installed pretty easily. Just 2 screws. Very cool if you buy it from Sam's Club. And in the same time, I got myself some CoinOpsX Vsauce version 5. Vsauce? Saucy? Saucy. I will put a link in the description below on how to get yourself, well, how to install this. You're going to have to find this yourself. And you can if you're resourceful enough. So let's get this in. Let's get to seeing how this all works out. Again, I'm not going to go through all the tutorials on how to do it. You can go down in the description and I'll have a link there and that'll teach you all. But I'm going to go through the whole setup process and then come back and we're going to see what this is all about. Wow. That is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Oh. And again, this is the ultimate for any shop. It's going to go right there next to that cabinet once this stuff gets cleared out, probably in the next day or so. And that'll wrap it up for today. So anyway, you want to get this yourself. Sam's Club was on sale. I bought it for, I believe, $5.99. It'll make a great shop addition. You can add a Raspberry Pi to it. You can do all kinds of things. But for our intents and purposes, I just want to play a little Street Fighter versus the Junior here. That's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time.